Oh, I mean, it's so exciting and obviously a massive honour. And I feel that it goes not only to me, but to my extended Teen Tech family, because it's been wonderful. The last 10 years, I mean, most people will know me from my days on the telly, but the work that we've been doing with teenagers and helping just to make a difference in their lives, I count amongst the best thing I've ever done. But I'm absolutely not doing it on my own. So this is a lovely moment of recognition for everyone who's working to make that change happen. I think the advice that I would give is that you've got no sense of your own potential. We're all capable of far more than we ever realise. I mean, my degree was in English and drama, and the majority of my work has been working on science and technology programs and now on a science and tech initiative. So it's, never feel that you can't do something. There are so many opportunities out there, and I think the key thing is to find things that you absolutely care about, because when you care about something, you are really going to put the hours in. And just be mindful of how I suppose it's just looking carefully to see what needs to change. There's a lot of things in our world that need to be changed, and it takes us to do it. No one else is going to do it. Don't ever think I can rely on someone else to take up the reins. Be the one who takes up the reins and brings that change about.